melted glass.
2100 degrees.
It equals 2,100.
So they put the colors on it from these little shredded glass and melt it. And then I bet the white one adds the swirl.
I wonder how someone figured this out.
So white background, first color.
Can't get it.
Get what?
A little Jesus.
Okay, you're gonna have to ask him to get it. Why is little baby Jesus in there? Now you have to wait until he's done. Dang it.
Is that not? Yeah, it's definitely swirl.
When he breaks it off, it's
All right, we're gonna let this set up, cool down for a moment. Then we'll get another gather on top.
Sorry, we dropped baby Jesus.
I love baby Jesus.
Thank you.
Not the one you want to drop in there.
Don't drop Jesus. Jesus,
So once it sets
one in a
up, we're gonna
closer
get
look.
another gather glass. On the next one, we're gonna start adding the colors. All these little bins are different colors of glass. The way we achieve all the colors of glass, precious metals, gold, silver, manganese, tin, cobalt, copper, in certain amounts, it's like a recipe. Anyway, very expensive. You're looking at this color here, it's about $1,200.
Can see Jojo?
Done with precious metal and taking things up to 2,200 degrees.
I bet that's all like the melted pieces.
Yeah, they probably melt that
What are you
down to
making?
save.
I'm going to be making a garden art, but we're going to be making a spinner one. I'll have to get my wife to do it right here in a minute.
Do you want to keep watching my love? So you're gonna stay here, and I'm just gonna look at the vendors around us.
Whoa!
On that first, a lot of glass.
Can you do light blue? Purple.
Light blue sounds good, but not this thing.
Oh, it's melting off. It's melting off. Shh, don't talk like that. He knows what he's doing. Ooh, that is awesome. Oh, that is awesome.
So I gave Russell my watch. So
see sparks.
It's really hot.
There's no like burnt popcorn.
Now you'll see I'm constantly turning this because if you're not, that's how fast the glass is moving. Gotta keep it moving, keep it on center. Now we got all our gatherers. We're ready to start blowing this out.
Yes.
2 minutes.
Oh wow. Yeah, you put it in a spike thing. I want that. Me too. What are those things called? Shafts. That's so when he does it, puts it down, there's a bunch of glass. Pardon me. A vase. A vase? I need that. No one down lows on the floor. Go under there. See you've got your copper there. See, it's getting purple. It's getting purple. There she comes. Wait, watch out. She's gonna come in.
So everything's a timing move here. Everything's for the last moment. So that's what we're doing. We're prepping everything for the last part of it. You only got one shot to do. We're going to do it at the end. You'll see.
Oh, it's getting purple. No.
Just see that color before the body.
Whoa. Oh my god. Stop.
What do I do for that little strip
Oh my
of glass
God.
right there?
I think he does absolutely nothing. Ooh. Holy crap. The blowtorch.
So this garden art, still with the metal rod. Whole bunch in the front of my booth. Looks like they look like that. This one's going to have to go away in an oven and fire down slowly.
He's about to break it off.
Whoa, 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 what are you doing?
Oh, yeah, so you break it off.
Now we know that's not water.
So that's another oven set at 900 degrees. We'll fire them down there, and then they come out and end up in my booth over there. Thank you guys for coming out and saw us.